Need to purchase Philadelphia Phillies ticket? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily buy one. First thing first, move into any of the web browser and head over to ticketmaster.com. Once you're inside the space, make sure you are logged in. Once logged in the search bar, you need to search for Philadelphia Phillies. Once search for it, click on the specific show. Once selected, it will land you on the space. If you scroll down, tons of different tickets of different dates will be available to you. All you gotta do is choose a specific date and then tap on Find Ticket. Once you have selected, it will land you on the space. Now in the space, you can simply select the number of ticket you want to purchase. Once selected, you can also change the price range of the ticket. Once selected, choose the specific seat you want to purchase. Now tap on Reserve Tickets at the bottom of the screen. Once selected, follow the on-screen process and pay the amount. Once paid, your ticket will be reserved and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.